Hello everyone and welcome to my next presentation for ELC590. In today's episode, I would like to talk about my introduction. My introduction focuses on positive thinking positively. Aren't you tired of people who like to think negatively all the time? Are you that kind of person? Do you think negatively all the time? Do you feel that bad things will always happen to you? Or do you think that somehow the world is conspiring against you? The universe is trying to make your life hard, difficult, sad, lonely, bad, negative. That is the danger of negative thinking. And you have to be more positive. I'd like to tell you an anecdote, a story of my friend who used to be very negative. He, as a negative thinker, now he lives in a mental institution. He lives in a mental institution because he's always negative. He's always thinking that there is a conspiracy on anything and everything. He always feels that people are trying to backstab him, that everything that he does are all just mistakes, and he's a failure. Nobody will love him. Life is sad. Life is difficult. Nothing is good. So because of that, now I'm sorry to say, very, very sorry, that he is living very happily in a mental institution. And that might be just the place that you're going if you keep thinking negatively. The power of positive thinking is actually something that we must remember all the time. Myself included, I used to think negatively about things also. Why is life like this? Why am I so lonely? Why is life so unhappy? Why is it every day when I go out it's always raining? Why is it when I wash my car suddenly tomorrow it rains? Why don't I have enough money? Why is it that I am not as rich as other people? Why is it I'm not very happy? Why, why? So all of this is actually very bad. Very bad. Because you don't question life. You don't question life that much. What you should do is live. Live life to the fullest. Be positive. Think positively. Don't think of bad things that might happen, but think of possibilities. Good possibilities. Positive things that might happen if you do something. And life is like that. Life is always like that. Sometimes we think that nothing is good or nothing good is coming our way. But we are wrong. There's always hope. Remember my story about my friend just now who is actually living in a mental hospital? Well, maybe he has lost hope. Maybe he thinks that somehow whatever he does will never amount to anything. Or maybe he thinks that the best way for him to escape real life is just to be in a mental institution. And there he can just live in his own world where he just continues being a negative person. But that's not very good. It's not very good. That's not life, is it? Is life like that? Is life about thinking about all the bad things that can happen to us? Or is it life is about thinking about possibilities? Thinking about hope? About not giving up? And about trying as much as we can without thinking negatively all the time. It's trying, living, the effort is important. And that's the introduction to my topic. My topic ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, is on thinking positively and not thinking negatively all the time. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in my next presentation. Thank you so much for joining me. This has been my presentation. I'm Airil, I'm Teech. Assalamualaikum.